Writing style in business and especially marketing communications is like dressing for success. It's a reflection of you and your brand. If you're a jeans and sneakers entrepreneur, embrace a friendly conversational tone. This approach resonates with your relaxed, approachable persona. It makes your messages relatable, building trust with your like-minded audience. Conversely, if your style is more formal with neckties and cufflinks, opt for a polished professional tone. It doesn't mean that you're being overly stiff or cold, but rather it's about communicating with clarity and a touch of sophistication. This aligns with a high-end professional brand image, attracting clients who value this approach. Regardless of style, avoid jargon. It can alienate people outside your industry. Instead, aim for clear, accessible language that ensures a wider audience understands your message and will recognize immediately that you won't be talking above their heads. Ultimately, your writing style should mirror your business attire. It's not just about words on a page, it's about conveying your brand's personality. Whether laid back or formal, your style should be authentic to you. This authenticity resonates with customers, helping to bring strong, lasting connections. Follow us at #SetInMotionMarketing to learn more tips on your brand's voice.